Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to take a completely immersive tour into the near future. We're unpacking a fascinating source text called Viziune 2030, and it paints this incredibly vivid, data-driven picture of exactly where humanity is heading in just a few short years. So let's jump right in.
I want you to really picture this. Imagine waking up in the year 2030. You open your eyes, check your devices, look out your window, and the world doesn't look anything like today. We're talking about a daily landscape that has just been fundamentally transformed.
Now, I know what you might be thinking, but this isn't science fiction. These are real trends happening right now. We aren't just guessing here, we're following the hard data exactly where it's pointing.
So here's our roadmap. We're going to look at 4 realities: AI in the workforce, the privacy luxury, extreme weather realities, and escaping to virtual worlds. And then, finally, we'll arrive at choosing our future.
All right, first up, AI and the workforce, the automated reality.
First, artificial intelligence. By 2030, the source actually notes that AI could be doing entire jobs faster than humans. Design, programming, marketing, literally all automated. Imagine an entire creative campaign generated perfectly in the blink of an eye. That sounds impressive, right?
Well, that sounds impressive, but there's a downside. Millions of jobs could disappear or just completely transform. It's a massive shift that completely reshapes how we earn a living, how we define our careers, and, honestly, what human skills will actually even matter.
Moving right along to Section 2, the privacy luxury and the surveillance state. Second big trend, digital surveillance. Cameras, apps, algorithms, basically everything becomes smarter. But here's the catch. As these tools get smarter, they also become drastically more invasive, intimately tracking your habits and your exact location.
And this leads to a pretty profound shift. In fact, some experts say privacy could become a luxury. Just think about that for a second. The simple ability to have an untracked thought or, an unrecorded afternoon, that might be something only a select few can actually afford. It's a huge shift in the cost of our digital lives.
Next, we have Section 3, Extreme Weather Realities, the Warming World.
Third, climate change. When we look at the physical environment of 2030, the data points to hotter summers and more extreme weather events. These are the actual physical realities we'll be stepping out of our front doors to face every single day.
But again, this is not an apocalypse movie. It's just data trends continuing on their current path. It is literally just the mathematical continuation of the weather patterns and temperature recordings that are happening globally right now.
Which brings us to Section 4, escaping to virtual worlds, exploring digital reality. And guys, this is maybe the most shocking one, digital reality. People could end up spending more time inside virtual worlds than in the real one. If the physical world is facing extreme weather and automated jobs, well, human beings might just choose to escape completely.
And finally, Section 5, choosing our future, standing at the crossroads.
Bringing all of these converging trends together, here's the real question you got to ask yourself. Will 2030 be a better future or one we slowly lost control of? Will this incredible technology serve us, or are we going to find ourselves cornered by it?
Well, that depends on what we choose to do in the next few years. This 2030 destination, it's not locked in. We are the ones feeding the algorithms, adopting the tools, and setting the boundaries today. So I leave you with this. Knowing exactly what the data says about tomorrow, what will you choose to do differently today?